Hi, I'm Tom with Tom's Universe, and welcome to my Mediterranean diet plan review. Look, I did this review to help people make an informed decision. I've been helped along the way. I just want to give back. But look, before we start, make sure you stick around for the very end because I have a free gift for you. It's a link. It may save your life. There's nothing high pressure about it. It's just very informative. So I spent a lot of time in Europe, and when I got back to the United States, I came to the realization that Europeans, especially the Italians and the Greeks, were very slim and for the most part, very healthy. They ate a lot, but I never saw the amount of obese people like here in the United States. Look, I was ill for a while and just laid around, I ate, and I just gained weight. I remembered about the Europeans, so I looked up this diet. The Mediterranean plan isn't a traditional diet. It's basically just eating good food, but not processed food. I got a lot of success with the Mediterranean plan. Again, it's really not a diet. It's just a better way of eating. I also found that it was more economical to buy their prepared meals than it was to cook for myself. And I didn't have to do all the work. I basically heated the food and ate it. It was really good stuff. The Mediterranean plan is inspired by the eating patterns of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, like Greece and Italy. The plan has gained significant attention for its potential health benefits. Rather than a strict set of rules, it's more of a dietary lifestyle, emphasizing whole, minimally processed foods. Very important, no processed. It entails, at its core, the diet prioritizes abundant fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, beans, nuts and seeds, olive oil, fish and poultry, cheese and yogurt. Red meat is eaten sparingly. It also involves herbs and spices. They're used liberally to flavor the dishes instead of excessive salt. Salt is not good for us. The primary beverage is water, but being an Italian, a moderate consumption of red wine is allowed. The plan is reasonably priced. I'm Italian and I like to eat. The meals are delicious, they're easy to prepare, and they're healthy. No processed food containing harmful chemicals, seed oils, or heavy to digest. Not good. Numerous studies suggest that adhering to the Mediterranean dietary pattern offers several health advantages, including improved heart. You know, it improves your heart. There are a lot of old folks out there in the Mediterranean. Weight management. I lost 40 pounds. Definitely lost it and I've kept it off. There's a reduced risk of diabetes by improving blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. Enhanced brain health. Some research links the diet to a lower risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. There's also a protection against certain cancers. The abundance of antioxidants from fruits, vegetables, olive oil may play a significant role in cancer prevention. Look, there's a reduced amount of inflammation. The diet's rich content of antioxidants and healthy fat has anti-inflammatory properties. This is my opinion. If you eat processed food, you need to make a life-altering change in what you eat. You also need to move your body. You need to move a little bit. Don't do anything crazy. Just started walking, easy peasy. Look, a short stroll before dinner, then maybe later on you can up your game. Also, you need to keep track of your weight. Every morning you should weigh yourself and keep a journal. Very important. So here's the overall view. The Mediterranean diet is not a fad, but it's rather a sustainable and enjoyable way of eating that emphasizes whole, nutrient-rich foods. Its flexibility and focus on fresh, flavorful ingredients make it easier to adhere to long-term compared to restrictive diets, low-carbo diets. That's tough. It's tough to keep that up. My friends, you owe it to yourself, your friends, your family, your loved ones to go to the link below and see for yourself. Take a look. There's no high pressure. It can change your life for the better. You have nothing to lose but that excess weight that's been dragging your health down. Look, I want to thank you in advance. I want you, if you will, like my video, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up for future videos. Thanks again for watching my Mediterranean diet plan review. You take care of yourself. Be careful. It's a dangerous world we live out there. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.